So yeah, my husband is just like
We've had a cool show.
Well, let's start
cool
again.
show.
I'd love to meet Jacob.
People died, and years later they just popping up. They just appear.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Today is Tuesday. I just imported my video from yesterday to my laptop, and I would like to say thank you to my new subscriber. Thank you to, I'll show you who you are, to make sure that I read it properly. Thank you for subscribing, MaryAnn.A, Ray Delfox, okay, and Marla Tuazon. And my husband is home today, and I'll see you later, guys. Bye bye. The cat is happy I opened the window. Right, Dimples?
Right.
Dimples? Dimples? Are you happy? What? No, honey, you can't go there. You always go there.
No, I'm saying Cinnamon Rose and Rose East can't be the same time.
Hush. Dimples, I said that. Do you like the window open? Do you like the window open, baby?
Oh, at least it's an easy theater.
Easy theater.
I know the way there.
I just edited my vlog from yesterday, guys. It takes I've been doing this since this morning. It's really hard for me to edit though. So while I'm editing, I'm having this from yesterday. We got this from Dunkin' Donut when we travel. It's a donut, small one. I don't know. Yeah, snacks. I'm so tired. I just came up here to brush my hair, but oh my god, the whole morning. Finally, I'm done in I'm finally done with my editing from my from yesterday's vlog, and now it's processing to transfer into my computer from iMovie to computer to QuickTime, and yeah, and after that I will upload it. I have a headache, slight headache, and I'm talking to my friend Beth. Hi Beth, congratulations with your vacation to Disney. That's soon. I'm so excited for you, for the kids too. Still have a long way to go. I watched a Pretty Little Liars and then I get bored. And my husband is watching something. What are you watching, hon? He's not answering. I don't know what he's watching. It's Vivi now. It's Vivi. Thank you to MaryAnn.A. Fabon. Thank you for subscribing. Shout out for you. Hi guys. I'm making a garlic bread again. Just keep making this, never end. Yep. I've been looking to this thing, guys. This magazine. It's super. They have a nice stuff and it's very cheap. So yeah, my husband is just like
We've had a cool show.
Well, let's start
cool
again.
show.
I'd love to meet Jacob.
People died, and years later they just popping up. They're just appearing,
Okay.
and nobody knows what's going on, why.
I'm asking you before what the call of the show. What's the title?
Resurrection.
Resurrection. Yeah, that's what he's watching.
Richard's the...
He looks familiar though.
I just
The other
wanted you
one,
to know that when I drove off that
the
bridge,
girl
I
was
had
talking to the
no
guy. The
idea.
guy was her father, but he's been dead so long. They're the same age now.
Oh really?
But he comes back.
Yeah, but I hear you're snoring here. You've been sleeping with some of this episode. We're having a leftover, guys. Make seafoods from last night. That's what we're having. And I made garlic. I'm making garlic bread.
I don't get no fresh food when I'm not
Suggesting anything. She was depressed. She killed.
We're heading to Pitco and getting some breakfast food for our kids. And we're going to go to CVS to get my thing.
Going to the bank. Going to where else we going to?
We're not going to the bank.
Yeah, we're going to the bank.
What kind of car is that? It's just something open in the back, right?
What kind of car was?
Huh?
That?
Yeah, we're somewhere. That's my husband walking right there. I don't know if you can. No, you can see him. Yeah, or
Your palette blue and gray. When the rain set in.
we're not gonna get there.
We usually buy more than that, huh? We could get it.
We're here again in the.
Salmon. Of course. What do we want? Alright. This is a good way to buy it.
Start of. Anyone here? This is what I wanted in the house.
Well, they're really not carrying her food much.
Because
Lemon brown.
look, even animals, even dog food, they have organic thing. Look, organic, natural, and natural. This is crazy, guys. Expensive shit here. We're in CVS again.
Look for some kind of
Okay, after this, I'm gonna help you to look. Okay.